guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea, and in today's video I will be sharing with you 5 reasons to buy an undated planner for the year 2023. Now, in case you're watching me for the first time, you know the drill. Go subscribe to my channel, like this video. Also, if you are someone who wants to purchase an undated planner, then I have a mind-blowing one for you. You can check out this video here. It has a beautiful planner which has all the possible features that you need in your planner for just ₹549, and it's available on Amazon as well. The link is in my description, or you can go check this video for a flip through. And now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here I'm going to be sharing with you 5 reasons why you should plan to buy an undated planner for 2023. Now, I've been using planners for the past 3 to 4 years. Some of them were sent to me by brands, while some were purchased by me. I've noticed a lot of problems when I use these planners, and I thought this is why I must make a video for you and let you know and make you aware why you must not buy a dated planner for the year 2023. So the first reason is it's overwhelming. Now, what's overwhelming about a planner? So usually we tend to buy planners in the end of the year when there are a lot of planners launching all together with beautiful offers and freebies that influence us to buy a planner. And these planners are so cutesy that the cutesy factors make us buy them more, and that is when we spend our $1,000 to $2,000 on these planners which are dated. Now, what is overwhelming about these planners is that these planners are loaded and loaded with trackers and this and that. And what happens is, when you're tired with your whole day work and you come back to your planner, you feel like, oh, I haven't filled my habit tracker, oh, I have not written my expense tracker, oh, I have not done this, I have not done that. And these pages feel like a real bad task every day, like a homework, right? And we don't like homework, don't we? So that is when we find using a planner overwhelming, and we just don't want to use it anymore, and it sits in the corner of the table. Coming to the second reason, it gives us anxiety and guilt. Now, what is anxiety and guilt? Again, like I told you in the first reason, that you feel overwhelming, you feel anxiety and fear of missing out. I'll tell you what it is. So basically, when you're using your planner, and maybe if you had fever and you skipped planning for 1 week in your monthly planner section, you feel like, oh no, I am somewhere left out, and now I think the planner is of no use because I left 1 week, or maybe I left 1 month of planning. Now I don't feel like using it. So you feel like, you have done something really wrong because you have paid a huge amount for your planner, and now when you're not using it, it is giving you that kind of anxiety. So this is one problem that you face with your dated planners. The third reason is flexibility. Now, when you're buying your undated planner, it's very flexible to use them. Now, why they are flexible to use is because you don't have to keep on filling up as per the dates. You can fill up whenever you want, and you can start anytime you want. So here, even if you skip out on 1 month because you got COVID, you won't feel like I'm feeling lost. No, you won't feel lost, because even if you used your planner till February and then you skip in the March, then you can start from April, and it's totally fine because your planner is not telling you didn't use me in the month of March. So it's really flexible to use an undated planner. Coming to the fourth reason, start and stop whenever and wherever. Now, what I mean by that is, you can start using your planner in any part of the year. You can start from October and end it to the next October. You can start using it from mid-March. It is your wish, your way of using your planner. You don't have dates, you don't have to bother when you're starting and when you stop. So that is the best thing I love about undated planners. And now, coming to the fifth and the very last reason to buy an undated planner. There is no wastage of paper and money. Now, if you've noticed, if you have a dated planner, then you don't feel like using it after April. That is because the vacation time starts and you go out and you've not used your planner. And later on, you don't have the motivation to use your planner, and that planner remains blank for the rest of the year, sits in the corner of your table and catches the dust, and your money is totally gone to waste, and this is going to add up to your anxiety. So this is the reason why I said you won't be wasting paper and money, because such blank papers are something, because here you're wasting paper and money to gaya. Paper waste kaise hoga? Because these pages are dated, you don't feel like using them, and they have a lot of lines and things about the month and the designs. You can't even use them like a blank paper. So now you know why you need to buy an undated planner for the year 2023, don't you? That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got a lot of value from it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.